You've worked hard for your money. You've saved, scrimped, and sacrificed. And now, you're considering putting it into an investment platform like StashAway. It's a big decision, right? After all, you want to grow your money, but you also want to keep your money. So, the burning question is your money safe with StashAway? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what it means for your money to be safe. Does it mean your money will never lose value? Nope. That's impossible. Investments, by their very nature, involve risk. But does it mean your money is protected from theft, fraud, or disappearing into thin air? Absolutely, that's what we're talking about. StashAway is a regulated financial institution. This means they operate under strict rules and regulations set by the government. It's like having a financial watchdog looking over their shoulder. So, if you're worried about StashAway running off with your cash, relax. The chances of that happening are slim to none. But it's not just about regulations. It's about how StashAway handles your money. Your money isn't sitting in a big pile somewhere. It's invested in a diversified portfolio of assets. Think stocks, bonds, and sometimes even real estate. Now, this doesn't guarantee profits, but it does spread the risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Another layer of safety comes from how StashAway protects your personal information. They use encryption, firewalls, and all sorts of tech wizardry to keep your data secure. It's like Fort Knox for your financial details. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. What happens if StashAway goes belly up? Well, this is where regulation comes in handy again. Your money is held in segregated accounts, which means it's legally separated from StashAway's money. So, even if things go south for StashAway, your money is still there, waiting for you. However, it's essential to understand that while these safeguards are in place, investing always involves risk. The value of your investments can go down as well as up. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So, while StashAway goes to great lengths to protect your money, there's no guaranteed return. So, is your money safe with StashAway? Based on what we've discussed, the answer is a confident yes. But remember, safety is relative. It's about understanding the risks, diversifying your investments, and choosing a platform that prioritizes security. StashAway has a solid reputation for security and transparency. They are regulated, they protect your data, and they handle your money responsibly. But as with any investment, do your own research. Understand the platform, the risks involved, and your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.